Cat Central is the gateway to what's coming in the future. And none of us know the future, but it will come via Cat Central.
Empire is a relationship-based company. So my job is not about selling parts. It's about building relationships, just taking care of the client, right?
And we feel that. We suffered hard times in 2008 where we pretty much sold our whole fleet. Before 2008, our fleet was mostly new. When we came back with older machines that we knew that we could keep running. And that's our style now. And Cat Central doesn't discriminate on age. The old are taken care of as well as the shiny ones. And so it's really streamlined our ability to keep old stuff running. All three of our techs are completely comfortable with Cat Central.
I use Cat Central typically every day. It's made it a lot easier to order parts, to find parts, to look up machine locations, capacities.
Cat Central allows me to order parts on the go, whether I'm here, on the job, anywhere.
Getting information on the parts, looking up diameter, sizes, and sometimes just a general description of what the part is, so it will help for troubleshooting or finding out what you need.
You know, every Cat part has a part number on it. They can go in and search that with their machine, find out what else is involved to do the repair.
Once I mention the fault code, I get the aha moment. People look up, they're like, wait, what? And then they pull out their phone, they download it, and then they're really interested.
I can look up the fault codes right there. It gives me a quick overview that I can see. It's just easier to have it all on one screen, all at the same time.
I don't use the parts books very often. Before, it was a phone call, then I would have to look up the parts. And so it could be an hour or two before we knew whether or not we could continue with a repair the next day. The parts books have been left in the dust.
If you have the part and you know the part number, you can just type it in the quick order and it's ordered in a couple of seconds.
Cat Central saves us a significant amount of time.
A lot of clients are surprised at just how easy it is to use.
I find it pretty easy to use. Everything on the home screen's all there and it's easy to scroll through.
Everybody wants quick, easy, and convenient, and that's what the app is. It's just taking all the tools and resources that Cat has and put it into one place so that it can help clients be successful.
The OMM is a great feature. Clients like that. They're clicking on that. They love the fact that they can go in and see their CVAs, and then they love the QR code. So they can scan the QR code in the cab of their machine, and then it gives them the most popular parts for that machine. They know that they're getting that verified fit, check mark, and they know that that's the part that they need. So they feel confident. It definitely takes the guesswork out of purchasing.
Locations is kind of a big thing for us because sometimes people say, hey, we need you to fix this machine at this job. Well, you don't know exactly where that job is.
My route planning is a big thing here. Traffic's bad. So if I know I can go this way first and hit this one, then loop around to get to my second machine, it helps my day.
It streamlines the whole process of getting from point A to point B.
In a couple of instances where somebody's phone isn't working, we've been able to share carts and send carts versus, somebody's looking up something. I can add it to my cart, send it over.
They're digitally inclined. They're ready to go with it.
I feel like Caterpillar is definitely pushing that envelope when it comes to, technology.
Cat Central will have aspects added to it that we haven't thought of yet.
It's definitely a gateway and a hub to other applications.
Having all access to everything on my phone is so much easier than pulling the laptop out, logging on the laptop. I can just got all there in my hand. I think it's best in class.
The right result in the quickest amount of time is kind of like the name of the game.
Yeah, like to be fast.